and then you can print it out or put it into some sort of written report, and then send them to the students or to a colleague that you're critiquing his or her paper, so that they can read it and then improve their content. So one of the tools that I find it very useful is TurboScribe. So TurboScribe is a free and a paid option. So if you want more, you can subscribe, and then you can transcribe more content. But I find the free option sufficient for my needs. So, but if you are doing a lot of transcribing, then you might want to subscribe to the app to increase your number of content that you are transcribing. Okay, so the free version is sufficient. So in TurboScribe, you can see the previous audio files and video files that I already transcribed and converted them into text. So one thing I find useful about this tool is that it will allow you different options or levels that you can select. You have the basic level, and then you have the medium and the accurate level. So it uses numbers to represent the different levels. So whale is the highest, more accurate. So you have those three accuracy levels that you can choose from. Okay, before you transcribe, you need to upload your files. So click on transcribe files. Then click on browse, or you can drag it and drop it here. So here I'm going to browse. Click on browse. I'll go to the download folders. And this is the audio critic that I downloaded from NotebookLM. So I'm going to upload this. So you can see the different accuracy levels. Cheetah is the fastest. If you want a very fast or quick transcription, but fast can sometimes have errors in the content. And then the Dolphin is the more balanced accuracy level. But if you want the most accurate, then you choose whale. Yeah. Okay, the transcription is already done, so you can see the audio file is now converted into text. So I'm going to click on the file name to open. Or click on the three dots on the right hand side. Oh, yeah. All right, then you can scroll down and see what you have down there. So all the audio voices are now converted into text. Okay. All right, you have the option of downloading as PDF or as Microsoft Word document, and there are file options here. Download options here. So I'm going to download this one as Microsoft Word, so it will be easy to edit. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. So I'm going to click download file. You can open it or look for it. All right, there you are. You now have the audio files converted into text and imported to Word. Okay. So you can now edit the document. You can even ask one of those tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, to reorganize the content into some sort of order, so that it will make it easy for you to use it. Okay. So this is the text version of the critic carried out by the two AI tools in, two AI voices in NotebookLM. So they critiqued this research article and provided both strength and areas that require improvement, weaknesses, and so on.